చెన్నై తమిళనాడులో ఎన్నికల ప్రచారంలో భాగంగా ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు కేంద్ర మంత్రి పీయూష్ గోయల్ తో మీడియా సమావేశం నిర్వహించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతూ తెలుగు గంగ ప్రాజెక్టు ద్వారా చెన్నైకి ఎన్టీఆర్ త్రాగునీరు ఇచ్చారని, తిరువల్లూరు నుంచి అబ్దుల్ కలాం వరకు ఎంతో మంది ప్రముఖులు ఈ గడ్డ నుంచి వచ్చారని తెలిపారు. తమిళనాడు చెందిన ఎంతో మంది ఉన్నత అధికారులు దేశానికి సేవ చేశారని, తమిళ ప్రజలకు వారి భాష అంటే ఎంతో ప్రేమ, కష్టించి పనిచేసే మనస్తత్వం ఉందన్నారు. ఏపీ తమిళనాడు రాష్ట్రాల ప్రజలది అన్నదమ్ముల బంధమని, ఘనమైన వారసత్వం, సంపద కలిగిన రాష్ట్రం తమిళనాడు అన్నారు. మన దేశానికి ఓ సంస్కరణ వాదిత ప్రధాని ఉన్నారని, రాష్ట్రాల మధ్య అభివృద్ధి పోటీ ఉందని, దీనికి కేంద్రం ప్రోత్సాహం కూడా ఉందని తెలిపారు. మహిళా రిజర్వేషన్ బిల్లుపై కేంద్రాన్ని ఓడించామని కాంగ్రెస్, డీఎంకే అంటున్నాయి. కానీ వారు మహిళలను ఓడించారని తెలిపారు. ప్రస్తుతం ఉన్న సీట్లపై 50% అదనంగా సీట్ల సంఖ్య పెరిగితే దానిపై మహిళలకు 33% రిజర్వేషన్లు వచ్చేవని అన్నారు.
Are going to connect. Now number of airports, number of flights, everything is creating. That is the biggest development is going in South India. Technology wise also, I am asking, originally it is a hub for industries. When I started IT, that is in 1995, I saw broadly Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai and Pune and Gurgaon little bit. Today Hyderabad and Bangalore have gone beyond. Nobody is talking Chennai today. At the same time, all Chennai people are migrated to America. All big companies, you go through any company on the global map IT, all CEOs are from Tamil Nadu. Starting with Sundar Pichai. Not only he, all highest positions. Originally, Tamil Nadu was very strong for Indian administrative service. Now Tamil Nadu was very strong for knowledge economy, IT and other areas. But we are not using their talent in motherland, that is in Tamil Nadu. So these are all various issues. This is where I am asking Tamil Nadu people, be wise. Think properly. You want empowerment, employment, bright future, you vote NDA. I have seen double engine sarkar. Double engine sarkar, capitalism, socialism, communism. Only one ism is going to prosper, tourism. That is the reality today. Any communism now? Why? I am asking you, tomorrow also same thing for us. I am asking my people to learn not only Telugu compulsory, you have to learn to protect our identity and also promote, even PM is talking, promote language, mother tongue. All primary education should be in mother tongue. In Andhra Pradesh, they forced to go for English 100%. Central government said no. Mother tongue is the best to teach our children. It will be very easy. That is the pride of our culture. Always PM is saying, India is pride because of different cultures, different languages, different legacies. Ultimately, India is one. Gujarat culture is different. Andhra culture is different. Tamil Nadu food is different. Andhra food is different. If I come to Tamil Nadu, sambar idli, very popular. I used to enjoy that also. One idli, how much sambar? That is how we used to order. If you come to Andhra Pradesh again, pongal, pesarattu, that is their specialty. If you go to Hyderabad again, biryani, Hyderabad. I used to promote Hyderabad biryani, Qurbani ka mitta, all over the world. This is the culture, that is the beauty of India. For tourists also it is a big attraction, I'm telling you. Language is an attraction. Now, language is not a barrier. Why I'm saying computer? You put it, it will give you Tamil speech. You want to do anything further, Telugu script, Tamil speech. I can do that. Both translation, it will give. What is your problem? I'm asking you. Why you are so fanatic? You lose. I'm telling you tomorrow, you will lose your identity in a knowledge economy. Don't mistake me. I'm little bit blunt also sometimes. All of us has to understand that.
Savian sir, you're from Andhra and you've seen the rise of many stars like NTR, Pavan Kalyan. This time there's a factor called Vijay. You've been in Coimbatore, you've traveled to all major cities. What is going to be the impact of Vijay's in Tamil Nadu elections?
NTR, MGR are different. No comparables. Now, I don't want to comment anything because elections are going on. I don't want to comment anything. But ultimately, politics is different. Commitment is different. Service is different. So you is not tested anymore. How far he is going to deliver all these things is not tested, according to me.
Sir, how you see the opportunity for NDA in Tamil Nadu and what is your prediction? How many seats NDA will win in these elections?
No, I am very clear. Tamil Nadu wants development. They have to vote for double engine Sarkar. That is NDA. Or otherwise, same thing they will miss. I am asking you today, we have missed golden opportunity of enhancing seats and at the same time, justice for not South Indian alone, smaller states, Northeastern, and also women. Don't miss that opportunity here. Every house has to be discussed. Tamil Nadu is not new for film actors, starting with MGR and also Jayalalitha.